Hi, this is Antonio Worsham with Coldwell Banker United Realtors. I've been an agent for about 12 years and I've been with this office for about 4. I came to Coldwell Banker because they have the tools necessary to meet my clients' needs. They have the technology, they have the forms, they have the background and support, as well as a name, and a name is very important. See, I've been a coach for many years, more than 20 years. I've taken teams to many championships. And I do that because I listen and I can understand the needs of my team, and I want to be on your team. I want to help and guide you to get to where you need to be. I'm experienced with all of the phases of real estate, with the buying, with the selling, with short sales, with foreclosures. I understand the mortgage business. I understand technology, having a degree in computer science. And I want to put all of this bundled together to help you reach your dream. Whatever that dream is, call me. We'll talk about it. I'll give you advice. I'll listen to what you have to say, and we will get you to the finish line. Thank you.